If Red Dead Redemption 2 keeps crashing on your PC through Steam, here are 5 simple solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify integrity of game files. 1. Open Steam and go to your library. 2. Right-click Red Dead Redemption 2 and select Properties. 3. Click the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 5. Wait for Steam to repair or replace any missing or corrupted files. Step 2. Update graphics card. Drivers 1. Go to the official website of your GPU manufacturer, either NVIDIA or AMD. 2. Download and install the latest driver for your graphics card. 3. You can also use Windows Update or tools like Driver Easy to do it automatically. Step 3. Switch graphics API from DX12 to Vulkan 1.0. Go to Documents, then Rockstar Games, then Red Dead Redemption 2, then head to Settings. 2. Open the system.xml file using Notepad. 3. Find the line that says K-Setting API DX12. 4. Change it to K-Setting API Vulkan. 5. Save the file and restart the game. Step 4. Run the game as Administrator 1. Find the game's .exe file in its installation folder. 2. Right-click on it and choose Properties. 3. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Step 5. Disable antivirus or add an exception 1. Temporarily disable your antivirus while playing the game. Second, or go into the antivirus settings and add the game folder as an exclusion. 3. For Komodo users, make sure to disable shell code injection detection in advanced settings.